Hello, beautiful souls. How's your healing journey going today? You know, it really does something to the soul when you're quiet and no one ever checks up on you. It's a feeling of abandonment thick in the air. And you feel like you've already healed this aspect of your past. And it's coming back again. Well, it could be a part of your discernment coming full on, where you are seeing through the masks of others, which is fine. Or it could be you having to look at this aspect of yourself a little bit closer through maybe a wiser set of eyes as we heal in a spiral going upwards, so like turning in like layers. So is it easy? No, because it hurts just like the first time. That's okay. Remember, crying is a way of release. Screaming, exercising. I've done yoga today. I've done meditation. Now I'm out being in nature, where the trees have always been there for me. So maybe find something that has always been as steadfast for you. It might help. Who knows? You may even come to a stronger stillness inside of you that is magnetic. Food for thought. I love you all. You are fantastic and you are magnificent. Never forget that. Oh, Miss Honey.